right, welcome back everybody. Today's sketch we are going to do chapter 2, hands-on test drive 4. As always, we are going to be drawing in millimeters, grams, and seconds. We will be drawing in the front plane. So we'll open up our sketch here. And today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to use a center rectangle. And we are going to start from the center and go out to a corner. So we're just going to draw this out here. It doesn't really matter what size we use. And we're going to make it for construction. And then I'm going to go ahead and dimension this. The bottom base of this will be 120 millimeters. And then the vertical base here will be 90. All right, so right now we have a fully defined sketch, and we are going to be, we're not done, but so far so good. We're going to go ahead and go into our line tool, and I'm just going to start sketching out everything that I need. So I'm going to start with a line in the corner down here, bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to go vertically to the right, or horizontally to the right, about 30 millimeters. Does not have to be exact. And then I'm going to go into my radius tool, and then the radius that we're looking at or looking for is about 30 millimeters. Again, does not have to be exact, but we want it to be close. And then we're going to go to the corner here. Then we will go up approximately 40 millimeters. And then to the left, approximately 30 millimeters. We'll go up about 10 millimeters. And then go back to our line here. And we are just going to rinse and repeat everything. I'm going to go about 30 millimeters. Again, does not have to be exact, but we want it close. And then we will lock in approximately 30 millimeters and click. Come over like so. Again, I don't want to get any relations in here. On these lines, you'll see where I'm not worried about it, and then those areas where I am worried about it. And then we're going to come right down here like so. We have a fully enclosed sketch. All right, so now I'm going to add a few relations in here. I am going to make these two lines, which are already locked in. Really doesn't matter, but what I am going to do is I am going to make both of these collinear. And then I will do the same thing here, which they're already collinear. And then I will do the same thing here. Locking everything in. And then we can go through here and we can start dimensioning everything. So here we're going to make it 30 millimeters. We'll make this radius 30 millimeters. And then this one's already locked in, which it should have been. We're going to make this 40. We'll make that 30. We'll make this one 40. And then we're going to come in here. We'll dimension this one to 30. And then we'll make this also 30. Like so. And then 40. 40. 30. And we are fully defined at this point. So we click out of our dimension tool. The last thing that we need to do for this is we have a circle or hole that's going to go in here. So we're going to go ahead and draw that out. It has a diameter of 18 millimeters. So we'll get close to where we need there. And then we shall dimension it. And dimension it to 18 millimeters. Nope. Man, my keyboard is just giving me fits here lately. Maybe I need to change the batteries in it. All right, so now we're still fully defined. Sketch looks exactly like it does in the textbook, and we are done. We are going to save this sketch as Chapter 2. And it will be hands-on test drive 4. Hit enter, and we're done. Excuse me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, let me know or ask me in the classroom, and I will check you out on the next video.